Today I'm doing a demonstration video on the AnyMax padlock picking tools for lever locks. And this is the kit that you can purchase. Comes in this case where you can hold all the tools in it. And it comes with everything you see except padlocks. It comes with the tension holder for the two picking tips, and the handle, which goes through this hole here and is tightened by an Allen wrench. Like so. And you have two different picking tips. One has an upright that is used for picking locks like squares that do not have posts in them. They go in like so. And then you have another picking tip that's for pipe locks, like this one. Get the key out. See the pipe? Goes in like that. And to put it together, first you put the handle on, then you take a tip you're going to use for whichever lock you're going to pick. We'll start out with the pipe lock. You insert the tip. It has a little nub on it. And inside here, don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little hole in which that little knob goes into to keep it perfectly aligned. And then you tighten it by using this knurled handle here. Get it nice and tight. And it also comes with 4 picks, different thicknesses, all the same length. First you insert the tension tool, goes in, then you get the appropriate pick wire, depending upon the lock, how thick, how much clearance you have between the tension tool and the inside of the lock here. Let's go with like a medium. You put the pick inside the bottom of the keyway, inside this groove, straight down, then you rotate the entire mechanism until the tension tool engages the bolt. It won't go any further. And from this point, you'll be picking the levers up and down. Like so. Until you get them all lifted to the right height, and then with the tension applied, you will throw the bolt. And then you return it, get your pick wire out. You'll have the lock unlocked. And as for the square type, you remove the pick head, insert the upright, same way, until it goes into the hole, tighten it up, insert it in the lock, get your pick wire, same thing, you insert it into the keyway, into this groove, rotate it so the upright engages the bolt, won't go any further, and then make sure you have enough room. Start feeling for the levers, picking them one at a time until you get them all set, lifted, and with enough tension you'll be able to throw the bolt and unlock the lock. Andy Max padlock picking set for the padlocks. He also sells 2 other pickheads. These 2 right here. And these are used for picking non-curtain mortise locks. Like this right here. And this is for a picking when the bolt is on the right hand side. You have a pick just for that. If you're picking the lock from this side, you have a pick just for that side. So you have a left and a right. And you put it together the same way. Goes in, locks in the little hole, tighten it up, insert it, turn it, and you get your appropriate, again, pick wire. Put the pick wire in the keyhole and in the groove, turn it all till it locks against the bolt, and you can start picking the levers. Now this would be in a vise, and you have 2 hands. One hand would be putting tension on, and the other will be manipulating the levers until you get them all up and you can throw the bolt over and unlock it. Get that out there. And again, if the lock is facing this way, you'll use the other pick wire, which would go in here, pick tension, and you'll be turning it to the left and then inserting your pick wire this way into the groove and manipulating the levers to get it unlocked. Get that out. There we go. Alright, so this is the complete Andy Mac padlock kit and the 2 optional pick heads if you're doing non-curtain mortise locks. Thanks for watching, and I'll be doing another video on Andy Mac's curtain lever locks. Thanks for watching.